Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jharsuguda location. It is from Orissa. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Vedanta Limited Aluminium Business. They are looking for head SAP business analyst. Coming to the job responsibilities, like the candidates should have ability to drive and head financial or material management or sales and distribution transformation primarily in SAP environment, and the candidates are responsible for delivering projects enhancements, change requests through structured delivery methodology, and release or change governance in FICO or MM or SD domain, including building requirement pipeline and business case management, solution road mapping, design, development, testing, training, go live, post go live support, like that. And the candidates must possess awareness in detail of the various pointer like analysis, approach, QTOR, and data correction, data verification, rollback approach, etc. in SAP. These are the job responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in the same organization, that is Vedanta Limited. They are looking for a reliability lead, AO COE. And coming to the job responsibilities, like develop or CM project management best practices and action plans for the sector, draft a detailed execution approach and business plan, supervise site level implementation to ensure value accrual and improvement in key drivers, and ensure consistency in equipment classification, FMEAs, RCAS, tool implementation, etc., and conduct trainings to enhance compliance and usage, and leverage central and external expertise to support specific site initiatives. These are the job responsibilities. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in the same organization, that is Vedanta Limited. They are looking for smelting area lead quality COE. Coming to the job responsibilities, like define, maintain and improve quality standards for smelting, prepare quality manual or SOPs for smelting process, pot life management and pot leak elimination, impurity reduction and metal recovery enhancement. And the candidates should monitor in process quality and HSC standards and leverage centrally pooled expertise to draft customized site level solution designs. These are the job responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Moderna. They are looking for principal SAP MDM engineer. Coming to the job requirements, like 10 years plus experience of building and managing MDM solutions and platforms like SAP, MDM or MDG, and the candidates should have bachelor's degree in science, engineering, information systems or equivalent, and functional expertise in master data domain, including customers, payers, providers, vendors and products, and data modeling and integration, and business process and workflow alignment skills. And the candidates should have knowledge and technical depth and experience in modern cloud based MDM technology and platform solutions, preferably in the pharma domain. These are the job requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Godara People Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for head SAP business analyst. Coming to the job qualifications, like the candidates should have BE in computer science or electronics or instrumentation, or the candidates should be a graduate BSc in computer science with minimum 3 years of experience, or the candidate should have a graduate degree preferably in commerce or computer science with professional postgraduate degree including CA, MBA or CMA. These are the qualifications. Coming to the experience, like 8 to 15 years of experienced candidates can apply for this job role. Coming to the functional skills, like the candidates should have exceptional liaising and negotiation skills, and the candidates should have strong analytical problem solving and decision making capabilities, extensive knowledge about SAP, S4 HANA, FISO or MM or SD module, and the candidate should be a team player with the ability to work in a fast-paced environment, and strong leadership skills coupled with a change management outlook. These are the functional skills for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Outsized. They are looking for procurement expert, metals and commodities. Coming to the experience required, like 4 to 10 years of experienced candidates in procuring of metals and commodities are required, and the candidate should have degree from a top tier university is mandatory. These are the experience needed for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.